Good evening, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. On this channel, you guys are going to learn how you can create an income from home using your desktop, laptop, or cell phone. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. So as you can see, the title of this video is How to Create a Design on Redbubble for Beginners. Now, Redbubble is a print-on-demand opportunity. Basically, you get paid to upload your designs to Redbubble, and you get paid if someone buys it. I'm not a designer, so what you can do is go to this site here called Clean PNG, and you can pick designs and download them to your computer and upload them to Redbubble and use it that way because these are free and these don't have. Some of these you'll have to check before using them just to make sure there's no text in them, but most of the time you'll have free images. So right now what I'm doing is I'm uploading an image to my store, and I had to redo this video because it cut off right in the middle of this part of the video. So basically I found an image on Clean PNG. It's a cat, and I want to show you guys exactly how to upload an image, how to get everything situated. So once you upload your image, you're going to title it. I title it Cute Kitten, and then I have some tags. The tags are how your audience finds your work. Use 15 relevant tags per upload. Use search terms your audience will look for to find your work, including your name. Make sure to separate tags with commas, example. Okay, so this will be an example of some tags. Cute kitten, cat, small cat. I did that. So I don't really have anything to really say, anything else to put for a cat. So very cute kittens when I put for the description. So basically, right, we're on the page to where I'm enabling enabling my designs. I'm previewing my product before I have it live on my store. So basically, what you do is you come through here and you look at every single design that you want every single product that you want your design to be on. So the first thing we see here is the standard print clothing. Now this is going to be very small, so I would just go through and look at the ones you want it to be on. Like I would want it to be on this. I wouldn't want it to be too small. So you just go through and enable the ones you want it to show up on, and you can change the color of the shirt too, and you can edit it. So I was basically, so yeah. And this is a phone wallet. So I'm going to show you something here. You can come over here to edit, pull this over here. Make sure after you're done editing your stuff, you're going to scroll down and you see this button here that says apply changes. Click on that. If you do not do that, your changes will not be made, and when you go to look at your designs, if you change something, you need to make sure you say you apply the changes so it can be added to your product. So they have coffee mugs, they have travel mugs, they have leggings. So I'll enable the traveling mug. I only do it on the ones I can see. If I can't see it, I won't put it on there. I won't enable it if I can't see it. So this is a clock, and I want to enable it on the clock. And I basically want to bring it down here. Remember to apply the changes so it can be added. Okay, so you see here, face mask, they have a sticker. The water bottle, I'm going to edit the water bottle. Just bring the picture up a little bit here, there. So let's right about there. And then click apply changes. And make sure you look at these before you make sure you look at them, because if you don't want it to look that way, you can always change it. So to me, if it's too small, like you don't like the socks, I don't really want to enable the socks. So we just go, you just pick whatever one that you want, and this is a design and illustration. So you're gonna click no. You're gonna click on this checkbox which says I have the right to sell products containing artwork. Yeah, there you go. So this one, you're going to make sure you check this box. Make sure you check no for is this mature content. Because when I put yes on mature content, for some reason it was being weird. So I just put no, because every video I watched it said click no. And so I clicked no, and when I clicked, and make sure who can view this work. If you only want you to be able to view it until you're ready to show people, then you can do that. But I would always put it public. Make sure you make the changes in here first before setting it to public. Make sure you edit it the way you want it to look. So I'm going to enable this really quickly here. So yeah, basically it, you guys. I mean, it's not hard to do. It really isn't. And you click save your work, and then you see here it's up. It's processing your work, and now it's complete, and now it's going to be added to your store or your shop. It was that easy. I know there's a lot of cat lovers out there, so I decided that I was gonna, like I said, my niche is nature. Everything that has to do with nature, animals, birds, nature basically is gonna be my niche for Redbubble. It was gonna be motivation, but I changed it to nature because I couldn't really find a motivational niche that I was gonna be able to do myself. So I created a nature niche for Redbubble. I mean, starting off, you might not have a niche. You're just gonna upload, just upload what it is that you're passionate about, what you like, and then later on you can. So this is what this is what it's gonna look like on people who are wearing it. Whatever you enabled it on is what it's gonna be on. So I enabled it on graphic T-shirts. All of this stuff it's enabled on. So it's on the clock. It's on the bag. It's on the phone, iPhone wallet. So these are what it's going to look like when somebody comes and wants to. And face mask is what, you know. So if you just want to, you want to show people the face mask, you can click on this. It'll copy it and you can send this to people and they'll actually look at it, and if they like it, they'll come buy it. So, but I'm letting you guys know right now, my Zazzle store is specifically going to be on face masks. I really feel strongly that a lot of people need face masks, and it's going to really help them out. And I know a lot of people that I know personally don't have any, so I'm going to, make sure people that I know get face masks, and make sure that the people that I market to see that I'm marketing stuff like this, so they can get their face masks. So I hope you guys like this video. I'll leave the link in the description. So you guys can check out my shop, and if you choose to buy anything, you can. And you can always share it with other people as well. So thank you for watching this video. I will leave the link in the description down below to my shop. You guys can look at everything, make a decision. If you decide to sign up with Redbubble, go to redbubble.com and get started.